Okay, this is my ship loader. Wood part down here has a conveyor and a conveyor belt. This part goes on top of that, and all that goes on top of here. So this is where all the bins are to be loaded, and the coal would be dumped into here from the backside from the rotary dumper. And this is about as far as I've got. I got the cable here and a bunch of bins. I haven't put them all together. So it dump it from the back, put them into a funnel, dump them through this hole, and it lands somewhere in here, all depending on where this is. It goes from one side to the other. And the conveyor would be moving the coal one way or the other. So the conveyor moves both ways, and the conveyor moves back and forth. So somewhere along the line it would be able to dump into all of the bins, whether it comes down the middle and has to go that way, or comes down the middle and has to go that way, and then the conveyor moves it on down to the end. But with this moving back and forth, and then the conveyor dumping stuff, all the bins can be filled. So this is just all apart right now, just to show you what the parts are, because once it gets up here it's lots harder to show, because this will be covered up with this and it'll all be on top of there, and when it actually gets on the layout it's going to be about that much taller. So anyway, there's also well, I guess I show the lights. There's lights underneath here. So that once it gets up here and everything's covered up, it's real dark, the lights will show in there, and it's cut out. There's a section cut out here that corresponds to being along here, so I have about that much space with all the light shining through to be able to look in there and see that it's in the right place over this one, and the coal is dumping that way or that way. So I don't know how this is going to work, but it's about the best I got so far. So here we go. The parts work. I'll put it all together and get the lights working and do another video. So here we go. This is the coal loader, or the ship coal loader. Yeah, I guess after a while, oh man, yeah, rotary dump it into this, into that, and from there into the ship, and the ship goes and offloads it onto a flood loader, and then it goes into a mine. Oh-de-do-de-do, go by.